Good morning, everyone. So I get this question a lot, and people asking, what do I bake my bread in? So I figured I'd just share a little bit of video here of what I have. So these are all the bakers slash Dutch ovens that I have. And this, you don't have to necessarily use just something like this. You can use almost anything. You can even just open bake on a sheet pan with a little bit of steam. The whole idea is just you're trying to make an area where there's still steam to help your bread rise better. So these are some of the ones I got. There's nice little Dutch ovens. This one's more of an actual like bread baker. Work really good for round loaves. This is an actual Dutch oven. These is what I use for my ovals. This one's this one's made out of clay. Another one from Emily Henry, I believe is the name on that one. And then there's Staub's and Le Creuset. But again, any little roasting pan, anything that you can close up to make, steam. Two double loaf pans can do it also. So I hope this helps. I can put some links in the description down below for some of these, and see you in the next one.